How to download playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download the entire playlist from your Spotify. So first of all, just open your Spotify account and select the playlist that you want to download. For example, this particular playlist right here. And after that, you will see these songs right here. If you want to download all of these songs in this particular playlist, so for that all you have to do is just click on the three dot icon from the playlist itself, and after that just click on share, and from there just click on copy link to playlist, and after that just go to your Chrome browser, and here on the search bar just search for Spotify playlist downloader, and after that just click on the first link that you will see on the top, and here just paste the link that you have just copied from your Spotify, and after that just click on submit. And here you will see the link to download the entire playlist and in the zip file, and you can also go ahead and download the song individually. Like as you can see, the Stick Season, Snooze, these are the same song that are right here, so you can download them either individually or the entire playlist in a zip form. So just click on download zip, and within the few seconds the entire playlist will start downloading. So once the zip file has been downloaded, and then just open the file in your laptop, and once you unzip the file, then you will be able to see all the songs that you have downloaded from the Spotify playlist right here. So this is how you will be able to download the entire playlist from Spotify. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.